This is me and Carson's first time youth duck hunting. We never had a spot to go, and we were goose hunting. It was last weekend. Last weekend we went goose hunting, and we were hunting out in the field, and we were hearing them all over in the lake. So we decided to sit on the lake, and we heard a lot, or heard a lot of ducks. So we decided, oh, next weekend's youth, try it. Carson lives on the lake. He's got a small John boat. That's where we were sitting. Okay, it's going. That was a meatball of a shot.
It was not a meatball.
That was a meatball. He was coming in so fast, though.
Yeah, that's why.
Did we miss him at all?
Yeah. We blew feathers off it.
Here, I wonder if he went down.
I'll go check.
Yeah, go.
Okay, just wait. Let me load my gun.
Damn, those ones came out of nowhere, dog. That was the first morning that we went out hunting. It was a 2-day trip. The first day was mostly meant for scouting, so we were figuring out where the ducks were coming from. After we figured out where they were coming from, we decided to make a move the next morning. We thought it would work. All the ducks that we had shot at or saw were coming from that direction. We were cleaning up all the decoys. We set out about 2 dozen. This is on Long Lake, Minnesota, the chain of lakes. Get down, he's coming. Nice shot.
Someone had to shoot. Is he dead?
Yeah.
That might be a little far. Oh shit, he ain't dead. Should I shoot him again?
No, he's fine. He's dying.
Those are comrades.
Yeah.
Should I go and get him?
See if they get down. Get down. Are they? They're coming.
They're coming in. Oh yeah. Shoot
Get
him.
up. Get up. Go! Oh, we wounded one.
We didn't even get one?
No.
You're kidding.
Look at the feathers. We hit one.
The one's going down.
Bro, I saw him get
so
up and I'm like, those are going fast. That's a mallard, I think.
I think so. You see him? He didn't get back up. You keep an eye out.
Yeah, we need to get out there. Are they dead? He is dead. That's a hen mallard. That's a hen mallard. It's not dead.
Grab it.
It's not dead. I thought you were grabbing him. That's a hen mallard.
Yeah.
Jesus, almost fell in.
Sorry.
Guys,
hey,
no one got a duck. There, I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be like half alive.
Well, I'm like, this thing didn't fly away. Okay, hopefully it doesn't spin around. Go in a little deeper.
Right, you're perfect. Right. Good. Damn, bro, perfection. Oh, he's coming. He's tailing a little bit though. Oh, he's coming right over us. We're shooting at him.
Get down.
Get squatted. He's coming right over us. Carson, get up. We're shooting at him no matter what. Ready?
3. No, give it a sec.
Ready? Go. We winged him. We definitely put some BBs in him.
I have 3 shot in too, so.
I almost got hit by one of your shells.
Dude, yeah, I freaking fell.
Where? Where the hell are you seeing them? Oh,
Dude,
I see. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah. All right, viewers, we just got done hunting. So this was youth weekend. First day we were sitting over there. We had a few chances we shot, but that was kind of a scouting day. We knew there was ducks here, but we didn't know where they're coming from and stuff. Second, today would be Sunday morning. We sat up in here and we got these two buttes. We got a hen mallard and a hen wood duck. And we're gonna take them back and we're gonna do cleaning. We're gonna teach you how to clean a duck. Clickbait. Thanks for watching us hunt, guys. Alright guys, we got our two ducks here. This is the cleaning part. So we're gonna start with plucking the feathers like Carson. You can do that one, I'll do the mallard. Okay. We got a bag to put our feathers in. And then you'll need we got a knife and a bowl full of water for the meat. We need to hold that down. So we're gonna, you recording? Yep. So we got the skin. Cut that skin, try open that up. You're gonna be easy so you don't cut any of this meat. See, a little chip there. Just work it slowly. Work it right at the base. See where it's kind of sticky? That's where we're working it. This is the mallard we shot. Doing a good job working it. Carson's neighbor's leaving. See, that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna try to get that out of the way. Oh, is that its leg? Yeah, that's its leg right there. You could clean that, but it's not much meat and it takes time. There's another hole. Shot him with the BB. The sucker is a strong one. Right? I'm gonna do the same thing over here now. I'm gonna continue to work this line like we did on the last side of him. Her, my bad. You need to respect them. Respect the birds you shoot, guys. Respect them. Alright, so we're pretty much getting there with the skin. We're doing good. Doing very good. I'm gonna try to cut some of that. Look at all that fat under there. It's a fat bird. That yellow stuff is fat. You can see that. It's a fat bird. Gonna feed well. How can I get this out? Gonna try to get all this skin out so it's easier to clean it. Did he leave his dogs out? Oh, perfect. Look at that. That is perfect. Look at the side. No skin. Try to get some of this stuff now. Oh, that's easy. So I'm gonna cut this stuff. Get all the way down to the thigh. Much meat, can't see what I'm doing. Alright, so that's pretty good. Get the rest of that. That's good. Alright, now you see this line right here? That is its rib line. Can you see that white line? Right in the middle there. We're gonna follow on the side. Now this is, you're gonna miss a little meat sticking to the side, but that's not a big deal. Don't get mad. Alright. So we're gonna work that line. You can feel I'm hitting the ribs now. And then I'm gonna start working the ribs on the outside. You can see right there, that's hard. That's solid. That's what we're working. Continue to work that line. I'm gonna start cutting on the edge. I missed a little bit there. I'll probably cut that up yet. We are gonna make this into sausage. Try to. It's a tendon right there. We're gonna try get the top of this and cut it off. Just the wing. Save as much meat as possible. If we have to cut a few bones out, it's not a big deal. Oh, this is a pretty big breast. Bolt hole in there. Hopefully it's not infected very much. Carson's been an excellent cameraman. I'm gonna put it in there with the rest of them. Just look at the size compare. This is the mallard. This is the wood duck. A little different. These are both hens. Sorry, ladies. Working that line again. Let's see how thin that is right there. I'm gonna start working it from the bottom. Working that hard line again. Solid. Okay, I feel it's one of its wings. Its bones. Start cutting it off right next to the fat and stuff down here. And start working this bone. And there's one right there too. And a heads up, when you're cleaning, make sure you end right here, because if you get in here, that's just digestive stuff, and that stinks like heck. And I don't know if you guys want to sit there smelling poop while you're cleaning your birds. Alright, that's the second piece. So this is all we got from 2 birds. I'm gonna mix it with some other meats, try and make some sausage. That won't be on video though, this is just cleaning part. We're gonna freeze it so it doesn't go bad, because you don't want to waste your animals. If you're not gonna eat them, you're give them to somebody else, donate them, whatever. Make sure you use your birds wisely. Don't shoot them for no reason. Alright. Alright guys, that was the video. A few more tips for cleaning them. Make sure you, when you're done cleaning them, you can take them inside, switch the water out, and you can rinse the meat under a faucet. Try get some of that, whatever, like feathers, blood off, some of those fats and stuff. When you're done, there's gonna be blood on your knife. Make sure you wash it off and dry it. You don't want rusting. That's not very good. Could end up bad. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe. Let's get to, and then turn on notifications so you know when we come out with a new video. That way you don't have to check all the time. It'll notify you. And thanks for watching, guys.